As the country rebuilt, it didn't rebuild the same way everywhere. It changed. Railroads stretched across the land, connecting places that had once been isolated. Cities grew. Faster, denser, louder, and the dog had to adapt. The railroad didn't just move people, it moved everything, including dogs. Places that had once been separate were now connected, and dogs that had once stayed local were now traveling with families, with workers, with a country that no longer stood still. And as those lines crossed the land, so did the dogs. Different types meeting, mixing, changing, not by design, not yet, but enough to matter. In rural areas, life still looked familiar. Dogs lived at the edge of the home, porches, barns, open land. They worked, guarding livestock, hunting when needed, moving freely across space that allowed it. They ate what the household had, scraps, leftovers, whatever could be spared. Sometimes they hunted to supplement it. Life was practical, uncomplicated,